Hey guys, I'm really excited for this video because I'm going to share with you guys my watermelon cleanse results. So I'm on day 4 and the results have been so epic that I wanted to hop on here for a quick video sharing with you guys what's been going on. What first inspired me to do this cleanse, which I usually do annually, I just skipped last year, was I recently interviewed Faith from Faith Finds Fruit. She dropped 140 pounds on fruit. I'll put her picture on the screen right now. And she's actually doing a watermelon cleanse right now. She was on day 40 for her cleanse and she's just looking radiant, just vibing so high. And it inspired me. I'm a raw vegan, you guys know if you watch my channel. And a lot of people are like, well, why do you need to do a cleanse if you eat such a clean diet? But I mean, I eat a lot. I never take a break. I eat fairly high fat. I've been traveling a lot. And I just feel like we all sometimes need a break. Maybe not everybody, but for me, I feel like sometimes I do. And I love this spiritual benefits of a freaking cleanse. It's like, let me tell you, it's next level. And you can achieve those benefits on a fruit cleanse, which is amazing. So you don't necessarily have to hop on like a water fast or something to get those benefits. You guys, the difference I feel right now on day 4, I feel incredible. I'm literally skipping down the streets with happiness, listening to music all the time. I feel amazing. And I'm listening to my body. I think it's important to listen to your body, and I can just feel my body loves this, especially like I said, I've been high fat, and it's just, I don't think we're meant to eat meat so much every day and have all this food at our disposal. I think way back in time as humans, we would probably have a period of time where we had breaks from food. And I think that really benefits our body. So I can feel it. You guys, like I feel like a totally new person. I feel so happy. I wake up at 6:00 a.m. wide awake every single day, so excited, like on another level. I typically feel really good raw as it is. But life has been coming at me. I have 2 kids. I live a busy life. I film videos like almost every day and I'm just go, go, go. I have some resistance in my life. And when I go on these cleanses, just the resistance is gone. The stress like disappears and you just feel like you just vibe so high. I feel like I'm in a constant state of meditation. My mind is so clear, you guys, it's crazy. So I enjoy that downtime when I'm laying in bed at night. And the whites of my eyes are whiter, I can notice. And I just overall, I feel incredible. So you guys, I just had to come on here. So what is the watermelon cleanse? What is this? You guys might see it all over YouTube. I mean, I started doing this watermelon cleansing even before I started YouTube. I think some of my family members thought I was nuts. Like, what are you doing just eating watermelon? But you guys, this isn't a permanent diet. It's just a period of time. And go with your gut to decide how long to do it. When I first entered this watermelon cleanse that I'm doing right now, I intended to do 3 or 4 days. And now on day 4, I feel so good that I'm gonna do longer. So I don't know how long, but listen to your gut. And so I did weigh myself before and after. I didn't do this cleanse for the weight loss. I just did it because, like I said, I feel like I've been eating a lot for a while, sometimes overeating. I was just traveling, eating a lot of raw gourmet here and there and just heavy fats and stuff. So I didn't go into it for weight loss. I know some people do that, but I have weighed myself so I can share that with you guys. So I'm 5'7" and I weighed myself on the first day of the cleanse and I was 129 before I started. And then I weighed myself this morning and I'm 122. So that's quite a bit, right? I know some people are like, oh, Jill, look out, you might lose too much weight, but I mean, I'm still healthy weight. If I got down to 100 pounds or something, I'd be like, okay, maybe we'll stop this. But I gotta let you guys know, like my energy is through the freaking roof. I don't think it would be possible to have more energy. I feel like I could run a 6-hour marathon. And I went to the gym last night. I've never had more energy at the gym ever. So I've had Mads from Mads Fitness on the channel before, and I know she did this cleanse once and she said she worked out every day and felt great. But again, like listen to your body. And yeah, what exactly is this cleanse? So you have only watermelons for a period of time. You typically don't have anything else. And you can eat the watermelon. So I'm going to cut this up to eat. Or you can juice it. So I've been doing both. I started out thinking I would just juice for like a day or half a day. And then not juice for just half a day. Oops, I cut too much off of there. And then just eat them. But I've been doing both every day, juicing and eating them. So when you just take the break on your digestion with the one food, like the one fruit, or you do a juice cleanse, but we're focusing on this in this video. So when you just take the break with the one food, the mono fruit food for just a short period of time, it gives your digestion such a good break. I have heard that it spends 80% of its energy digesting food. So if we give it a break and give it just a mono fruit and clean out the system, you clean everything out and you're just eating the mono fruit for a short period of time, it is just like bliss in your digestive system, and there's a huge connection between your gut and your brain and your mood and everything. It's all connected. So as you do this, you're like, whoa, you start to reach highs. You think you're on like some drug trip, but you truly just feel more and more like yourself. You feel like the creator intended for you to feel. I feel like doing a fruit fast like this or eating a clean, all raw diet, you truly just feel so connected. So that's my main reason for going into these cleanses, just that spiritual connectedness that I feel. It's like another level. It truly makes you realize when you're cleaned out like this and you're on a cleanse that God, the universe, is really speaking to us at all times. And that is my favorite part of doing something like this. And just when I think like, oh, this knife is not very good for this watermelon, you guys. Hold on, I'm gonna get another one. Just when you think like, oh, maybe I'll stop tomorrow. You're like, let me give it till tomorrow. You go to bed, you wake up, and you are just like, whoa, I've never felt better in my life. So this does so much for the body, you guys. Be prepared. Like, you do have to use the washroom a bit more because watermelon, I think, is 92% water content. But you guys, like, that should not be a deal breaker for you, having to have extra trips to the washroom, because the benefits just far outweigh those extra trips. It is so worth it. If you are feeling run down, if you are feeling sluggish, if you are feeling depressed, if you are feeling lackluster, realize that it might be because of what's going on within. It might be because of what you're feeding yourself and the habits you have. It might not necessarily be the stress and the things going on around you that are triggering you and bothering you. It might be the resistance because of the things inside you that shouldn't be inside you. We are meant to eat raw foods, and a cleanse like this just really takes you to another freaking level. So I just want to tell you guys too, I recommend you do, if you're going to do a mono fruit cleanse, I recommend really that you choose a fruit that's in season. So right now when I'm doing this, watermelons are in season where I am. I feel like that's when we're meant to eat these foods, and it's just always ideal. Sometimes in the fall I'll do a grape cleanse. That's a great one as well. The grape and the watermelon are my faves. I actually did 21 days once on watermelon a couple years ago, and it was just another level. But I got to a point where I started craving the greens and wanted to stop, so I stopped. So I'm just all for like, listen to your body, but it's just, I really needed this, and I just love the spiritual aspects, the connectivity, the creativity, and I feel like I've come this far. I can't wait to see where I could end up if I stay on it for another week or two. I don't know. And I just like to play it by ear and let's see. But you guys, this is just fantastic. If you guys have any questions about this cleanse, then hit me up in the comments down below. I read all the comments. I love you guys. I'm so lucky to literally have the best viewers on YouTube. And I'm so active on Instagram. It's like kind of like a diary to me. I'm always posting stories and I share everything over there. So follow me over there as well. I'll link it down below. And I just can't wait to enjoy this. You guys, I'm just feeling so high and like such a release of any resistance in my body. I don't know if you guys follow Abraham Hicks, but like sort of that sort of thing. It's just naturally all your resistance is gone. Like anything could happen. It doesn't bother you. You just go with the flow and you feel connected, divine, amazing. Anyway, I hope this video shared some insights, you guys, some inspiration. I hope you can I wish I could just express how good I feel. I wish you guys could be inside my body and like understand the difference. It's crazy because I normally feel really good as it is. But like I said, I was eating so many different things for a while, hadn't cleansed for like a year or two. So I think cleansing is needed, and this one is very easy because you get to enjoy the foods and still have all the benefits. So anyway, make sure you guys subscribe to this awesome channel. Check out Faith's video where she did 40-day watermelon cleanse and my 21-day watermelon cleanse video from a couple years ago. I'll pop those on the screen right now. I love you guys. Go get juicing, go get healthy. And if you guys want the NAMA, I'll put a code down below. Gillian10 will save you on this amazing machine. And I love you guys. Bye.